Right. Hi everyone. Today's lesson is we're going to talk about Chi Sao. Right. What is Chi Sao? Right. Chi Sao is a Wing Chun training exercise, which is designed to for close range combat. What used there is reflex reaction. Right. Easily to see. It's a close combat thing. You're going to learn this from a very close combat, right? So it doesn't mean that you're going to fight like this. You're looking for someone to fight, then you be like this. No, everyone poses in own position, fighting, right? So this is for especially for those who knows Wing Chun. That's you learn a lot from this, right? This way, right? Now, on a reality time, maybe this guy's punching me. See this, I can just react towards him. Come again. Right, so during exercise, see what I'm going to do during exercise. Right, I'm learning, okay. Now, this way. Right, this is the elbow in, now chopping here, punch him. Right, again. 1, 2, 3, here. Right, chop, punch. Right. Now it's punching from there. Boom, come bones out. React him. Right. So, this is in every, should do this in everyday exercising, right? An everyday thing, right? Right. That's our lesson for today. See you on to the next lesson.